Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Starling Bank. Now, I know what you're thinking. Does Starling Bank have physical branches? Well, that's a great question, and I'm glad you asked. The answer is no, Starling Bank does not have any physical branches. So, what does that mean for you as a potential customer? Well, it means that you'll need to do all of your banking online or through the Starling Bank app. This can be a bit of a change if you're used to going to a physical bank branch, but it can also be a lot more convenient. Let's take a closer look at the pros and cons of banking with Starling Bank. Pros. No physical branches. This means that you can bank from anywhere in the world, at any time of day. Low fees. Starling Bank has some of the lowest fees of any bank in the UK. Great app. The Starling Bank app is very user-friendly and makes it easy to manage your finances. Excellent customer service. Starling Bank has a great reputation for customer service. Cons. No physical branches. This can be a downside if you prefer to do your banking in person. Can be difficult for some people to get used to. If you're not tech savvy, you may find it difficult to use the Starling Bank app. So, is Starling Bank right for you? That's a question that only you can answer. If you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to bank, then Starling Bank could be a great option. However, if you prefer to do your banking in person, then Starling Bank may not be the right choice for you. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the specific features of Starling Bank. One of the things that I really like about Starling Bank is its budgeting feature. This feature allows you to set budgets for different categories, such as food, housing, and entertainment. This can be a great way to stay on top of your finances and make sure that you're not overspending. Starling Bank also offers a number of other features, such as the ability to set up direct debits and standing orders, the ability to send and receive money internationally, the ability to freeze and unfreeze your card, the ability to track your spending with the Starling Bank app. Overall, I think that Starling Bank is a great option for anyone who is looking for a convenient and affordable way to bank. If you're considering switching to Starling Bank, I would recommend that you take a look at their website and read some reviews from other customers. With that said, thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance.